Let's check this one out. 1970 Chevrolet El Camino 350 car. Now this particular car, we have confirmed it is the original engine, so it is a numbers matching 350 underneath. The hood was a 350 300 horse 4-barrel car, and that would be paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. It also is very nicely equipped underneath there. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and that all looks like it is intact on this car. Check out the still pictures. You want to see that engine bay, what we're talking about. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. We get around to the other side and I start this up. We'll take a look underneath the hood too, so you'll be able to hear it run. See how tidy the engine bay is. As you can see, the paint is cranberry red, and this was originally a cranberry red car. Number 75 on the paint code. The interior is also the original black color that it would have been. That would have been 755 on the data tag. So this car, pretty much the way it would have came from Chevrolet back in 1970. Horseshoe shifter automatic on the forward, the console, 2 buckets. I would say this is probably even a little nicer than a driver quality car. You can see the bed's not all scratched up. It's been gone through, repainted. Very presentable car. Whether it be for taking out for cruises on a Sunday, going to a local roll-in or cruise-in, or showing it. Cool how they did the backup lights and the tailgate. See the dual exhaust running out the back. Car is very solid and tidy underneath too. Once again, like I said, the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call too if you have any questions on it, something you want us to take a peek at, or maybe you're wondering about transportation to where you're located at. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Again, we have a numbers matching 1970 El Camino right here. You can see how nice everything fits too. Take a look at that door. You can see how everything is just straight up and down this car, not full of nicks, chips, dings. Take a look down that, how straight that car is. Very nice luster to the paint, top to bottom. I have to say the interior is probably just as nice as the exterior is. Let's go ahead and check this out. See, the carpeting is in very nice shape. I pulled the floor mats out so you can see. Now that is glare coming off that interior light. So I mean, it is completely black. That's just glare from the light. It's not like it's discolored or faded or anything. You'll also sometimes see in the seats where you'll get a line through and it's just a shadow. It's not that the seat is 2 different shades of black. It's just a reflection or shadow. Nothing to hide on this one. Check out the door cards. Also all very nice shape. I'm going to go ahead and fire this up. I think the odometer reads about mid 60,000s, which I can't really confirm or deny. I don't have any paperwork going back that far. Was it 67? See it there? Judging by the car underneath and dash and interior and everything. Wouldn't surprise me if that was original, but I can't confirm or deny it. Car's been repainted, been redone since then. See, there it is, a factory AC car. Aftermarket Kenwood stereo put in it, and some little later model aftermarket gauges for temp, water temp, and oil. Precious, go ahead and fire this up. See how easily it starts. Gauge this radio everything light up. I'm going to go ahead and slip out so you can hear it from behind. Nice so that door closes. Nice little rumble coming out of the back. Like I said, that is a 350, 300 horse underneath the hood. Original engine of this car. Speaking of which, let's flip up, we'll pop this hood for you. good. Hood open. First of all, look at the underside of the hood. This car is extremely clean. Hear how smooth that runs. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Everything appears to be here. There you go, 1970 Chevrolet El Camino. Numbers matching, power steering, power brake, AC car, turbo 350 automatic. On the floor, horseshoe shifter, bucket seats. Check all the still pictures out at uniqueclassiccars.com or give us a call at 507-386-1726. It's warmed up. I'm going to just see if I can knock it down onto low idle for you quick here too. Now it's warmed up. That was a cold start. There you go. Listen to that beauty. I'll turn some heads pulling into a show or going down the street. Give us a call. Don't expect this one's going to last long, and I don't think the next owner is going to be disappointed with it. Beautiful car.